Now what you could do is, through futures, you can also exploit a trading opportunity. So let's create a situation. After buying the TCS futures today at say 2374.9, the very next day TCS price shoots up. It is now trading at say 2460. What do? Clearly the price increase and I stand to benefit significantly. I am sitting at a profit of rupees 85.1 per share. So I am happy with the money that I have made overnight. Can I actually close out this agreement? Or rather, at rupees 2460 per share, what if my view changes? What if I no longer feel bullish about TCS at rupees 2460? Do I really need to hold on to the agreement until the contract expiry date? By which time the price could not even go down and I can enter into a loss. Now at any point after entering into a futures agreement, I can easily get out of the agreement by transferring the agreement to someone else. This means I can close the existing TCS futures position and book a profit of rupees 10,637.5. Not bad for a one-day job. So closing an existing futures position is known as squaring off. By squaring off, we mean offsetting an existing position. So in case of TCS example, initially I bought one lot of TCS futures and when I squared off, I have to sell one lot of TCS so that my initial buy position is offset and becomes zero. The following things when I opt to square off the TCS position will take place. First, the broker via a trading terminal scouts for a counterparty that would be willing to buy the futures position from me. Means my existing buy position will simply be transferred to someone else, and that someone else, by virtue of buying the contract from me, now bears the risk of the TCS price going up or down. So simply this mechanism is known as risk transfer, and the transfer will happen at the current future price in the market, which is 2,460 per share. Secondly, my position is considered offset or squared off after the trade is executed. And once this trade is executed, the margins that were initially blocked would now be free. I can utilize this cash for other transactions. And the profit and loss made on this transaction will be debited or credited into my trading account the same evening itself. And with this, the futures trade is now said to be complete. Thank you. In our next set of videos, we will be discussing about leverage.